Hi guys! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best single-speed electric bikes just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best single-speed electric bikes to see which one is worth your money. If you're looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here's a summary of the usefulness of each product, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So let's get started.
Top of the top 5 is Highland 20-inch single-speed kids mountain bike. Riding this 20-inch single-speed bike has been a fun and reliable experience for younger riders and casual cruising. The lightweight carbon steel frame feels stable and strong for neighborhood rides, and the front/rear V-brakes give dependable stopping power on paved paths and gentle slopes. Assembly was straightforward, and adjusting the seat height as kids grow is easy. While it's not designed for serious off-road trails or steep hills, this bike excels for daily play, basic fitness rides, and learning balance and coordination. Ideal for ages roughly 5 and up. Compared to the adult urban bikes in your list, it's much more affordable and simpler, though obviously limited in performance and versatility. Its value is excellent for kids learning to ride or casual family outings.
The second of the top 5 is Cubsala Beginner to Advanced BMX-style bike. This Cubsala bike surprised me with its sturdy feel and versatile sizing options when I first rode it. It's marketed for both beginners and advanced riders alike, with BMX-style pegs that let you practice tricks as well as simply cruise around town. The robust high-ten steel frame stood up well to everyday use, though handling can feel a bit rigid compared with more premium bikes. The biggest downside I found was that long-term durability of some parts, like the handlebars and pegs, might feel less robust if you're pulling aggressive stunts often. It's a great mid-range choice if you want something that can be both a fun cruiser and occasional trick platform. But if you want a highly refined commuter or performance road fixie, you might notice the limitations. Overall, it offers good value for what it is, given its balance of strength and affordability. The product in third place is Avasta Single-Speed Urban Commuter Bike. I've spent many city miles on this Avasta single-speed commuter, and what stands out most is its simplicity and style. It rolls smoothly on flat terrain thanks to the classic fixed gear or freewheel option set up with a flip-flop hub, and the flat handlebar makes urban maneuvering comfortable. The steel frame feels solid and the brakes do their job, but be aware that some components like the seat and brake levers are basic. You might want aftermarket parts if you ride longer distances or rough roads. This bike shines as a budget-friendly urban commuter or entry fixie if your area is mostly flat. It won't excel on long hills. Compared with other bikes on this list, it's stylish and lightweight, but not as rugged or premium feeling as higher-end commuter models. Good price for casual riders. And the product in fourth place is Throne Cycles TRK LRD Complete Alloy Single-Speed Bike. The Throne TRK LRD felt noticeably more performance-oriented when I took it out for rides. The aluminum 6061 frame and carbon fork give it a surprisingly light and responsive feel. This bike is built more like a fixed-gear track-style bike than a basic commuter, with a tight geometry that feels lively on city streets. On the flip side, some riders have reported quality issues such as weld concerns on certain frames, so it's worth checking the build carefully when it arrives. If you're after a faster, sportier single-speed that doubles as a sleek street bike, this one offers great style and responsiveness for the price, though it's pricier than more basic urban fixies. Compared to other models here, this strikes a balance between casual ride and performance bike if you're ready for that commitment. The fifth remaining product is Golden Cycles Fixed Gear Single-Speed Bike. The Golden Cycles fixed gear bike delivers a classic fixie ride that's simple yet functional for everyday commuting and city cruising.
It's a high-10 steel frame with front and rear brakes, which gives it a stable and predictable feel underfoot, and the fixed gear ensures a direct connection to the road. It's not a high-end performance machine. Some riders online describe it as a plain but honest bike that does what it should at a lower cost. For riders on a tighter budget who just want reliable transport and casual fitness rides without extra complexity, this bike is a sound choice. It won't match the refinement of premium frames or components, but it is consistent and accessible. In price comparison to the others, it's usually one of the most cost-effective choices if your priority is basic, no-frills cycling.